Okay, let's take another example. Let's take A equal to, I am taking now, let's take 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take this 1, 2, 3, 4. So here R is a relation from A to A. How many elements it will have? A cross A, how many elements in A cross A? 4 for the 16 elements it will have. Now let's take few elements. 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 3. Let's take this one. So what I am saying is here 1 1 2 2 3 3 is there, 4 4 is not there, therefore it's not reflexive. Number 1 point. Number 2, symmetric. How do you check? If at all, what is symmetric definition? If at all AB is there, BC should, AB is there, BA should be there. AB is what? 3 4. If I take AB, you need not check 1 1 2 2 3 3. Generally you should not check that, because with that you will not have problem. 3 comma 4 is there, what should be there? 4 comma 3 should be there. For so reflexive, very clear. Reflexive means 4 4 must be there. 4 4 is not there, simply it's not reflexive. Not reflexive. Why it's reflexive means what? For every A belongs to A comma A should be there in R. For every A belongs, A లో ఉన్న ప్రతి ఒక్క ఎలిమెంట్ కి ఇమేజ్ అదే ఉండాలి. 4 కి ఏముంది ఇమేజ్? ఏ అసలు 4 కి ఇమేజ్ లేదు. 4 comma 4 should be there, that's not there, so therefore it's not reflexive. Symmetric means what? Symmetric means if at all AB is there, then B should be, BA should be there. AB is there, AB is what? 3 comma 4. If you take AB is there in your relation, so in your relation 3 comma 4 is there, what should be there? 4 comma 3 should be there, so that's not there, therefore it's not symmetric. Reflexive, how do you check reflexive? How do you check reflexive? AB is there, BC is there, AC should be there. So what I'm telling is 1 1 2 2 3 3, you need not check, because with that you will not have problem. So what you should do is 3 comma 4 is there, so only 3 comma 4 is there, you need not worry, so it is automatically it becomes reflexive. Even if you want check also, if you take this is A comma B, A comma B, if you take this, now B comma C is not there, na? B comma C means it should start with 4. That's not there, you need not worry, therefore it is automatically symmetric, it is automatically transitive. So I'll take one more, R2. I am taking R2. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 and 1 4 I am taking here now. Okay, 1 4 and 4 1 also I am taking. Okay, let's take. So whether it is reflexive or not? Yes, reflexive. Why? Because here 4 elements are there. Reflexive means for 1 1 should be there. For all elements, see, for all A belongs to A comma A, image should be the same thing. For 1 image should be 1, 2 2 there, 3 3 is there, 4 4 is there. So therefore it is reflexive. Whether it is extra elements are there, no problem, I said. Whether it is symmetric or not, symmetric, you need not check for this, I told. 1 comma 4 means 4 comma 1 should be there. AB is there, B A is also there. AB, if you take this, BA becomes this. So this is symmetric also. Symmetric also. So transitive or not? Transitive or not, how do you check? 1 4 is there, AB is there, BC is there. What should be there? AC should be there. AC is what? 1 1, that is there here. So it's transitive. Transitive also this is. So therefore this is equivalence relation. Therefore this is equivalence relation. So but it's not identity. Identity relation means what? Only this much, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 only there, then it's called identity relation. But now it's not identity relation. Extra elements are there, it's only reflexive, it's not identity. Identity means 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. For every element, image is itself only, you will not have extra image. 1 1 1, see 1 1 1 4 is there, so 1 has 2 images, so it's not identity. So it's the equivalence relation. Now in this set, if at all I add, in this set I am adding one more element, I am adding. What is that one more element I am adding? 3 comma 4, I am adding 3 comma 4. If I add 3 comma 4, it is reflexive? Yes. It's symmetric? No. 3 comma 4 means 4 comma 3 should be there, that's not there, therefore it's not symmetric. Whether it is transitive or not, you have to check like this. AB is this, BC means 4, it should start with 4, that is BC is this, AB is this, BC is this. So AC becomes what? AB is there, BC is there. AC is 3 1. 3 1 not there. Okay, AC is there. AB is there, BC is there. AC is 3 1. That's not there. 3 1 is not there. Not trans 2 also. So that is how we have to check trans 2. Sir, here one doubt is there. So here relations are two types. One is finite relation, another is infinite relation. One is finite relation and another is infinite relation. Okay. So finite relation means these are all what all we discussed is finite relations. That means number of finite relation. Relation means it's a set. Finite relation means finite set. Relation which has finite number of elements. You see what all we discussed is finite number of elements only we have. So that's finite relation. So till now what we discussed is finite relations we discussed. Infinite relation. What is infinite relations? So in a set you have infinitely many number of elements. For example, I am writing here. One relation is there, A comma B. Okay, such that here A comma B is such that B equal to 2A and A comma B belongs to N, natural numbers. This is infinite relation. So in this, how many elements are there? You see. Here A, if I take 1, because A and B are natural numbers. If I take A, you automatically get B. If I take A equal to 1, then B equal to 2. If I take again A equal to, if I take 2, then B equal to 4. If I take A equal to 3, B equal to 6. So on. This is called infinite relation, because as you take n value infinitely many numbers, you get B values also infinitely many numbers. So infinite relation. So I did not talk about this infinite relation. So okay, now I told no, this relation is there. This relation is from where to where? N to n. This relation from n to n. Whether this is reflexive or not, this is not reflexive. Why? Because 1 comma 1 should be there. For 1 comma 1 is not there. 1 comma 1, why it's not there? You see, if I put to 1 comma 1, that A value 1, B value 1, if I put 1 equal 2, you will get. So it's not reflexive. Whether it is symmetric or not, no, it's not symmetric. 1 comma 2 will be there, but 2 comma 1 will not be there. It's not symmetric. Whether it is transitive or not, no, it's not transitive. 1 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 4 is there. 1 comma 4 you will definitely not have. 1 comma 4 is not there. It's not transitive also. Like that. So anyway, this is, I gave the example, one example I gave for infinite relation that I am going to discuss. Somebody asked parallel to is a reflexive relation or not, or reflexive or not, or symmetric or not. This all tomorrow we'll discuss. That what I did not discuss. So today what you should do, you study this much and then you can ask tomorrow doubts.